Hi there, my name is Ian Martinez-McGraw. This is my personal goals video presentation. So a little bit about me. I'm a special education teacher slash CT teacher at Paragon Learning Center. It's an alternative high school located in Pueblo, Colorado. This is my 8th year here. Within CTE, I do more of the career choices and kind of the work-based learning. Coach baseball and softball. I used to coach basketball, but no longer do that. It's just baseball and softball now. I played baseball all throughout college. I enjoy watching sports, golfing, hunting, and fishing. And then I'm a Buckeyes, Broncos, Avs, and Yankees fan. So some of my educational background. I got my associate's degree from Otero Junior College, which is in La Junta, Colorado, about an hour away from where I live. Went there for baseball, which then took me to Lipscomb University in Nashville, Tennessee, where I got my bachelor's degree in psychology. My master's of special education degree was from Colorado State University, Pueblo, and I'm now currently finishing up my principal's licensure here at Fort Hays State University. So my personal goals within the next year to 5 years, obviously stay active. I do really enjoy coaching, so I kind of want to keep being a coach. Maybe tone down a little bit, but at least coach one sport. Enjoy watching my kids be involved in extracurricular activities. I have a 5-year-old right now who's starting to get into a lot of sports. I have a 3-year-old who probably will, and then a brand new baby. So it's going to be pretty busy here in the next year to 5 years, and then hopefully just be a great father and husband. The next 6 to 10, maybe do an advancement, get a higher paying job, be a great supporter when my kids are in middle school, and then beyond 10 years, hopefully have no mortgage, so debt free, and then just staying alive. Some professional goals within the next year to 5 years. Finish my principal's licensing program that I'm in now, which I should have by May of this year. Apply for some administrative jobs and hopefully maybe get a dean of students position, because here, if you are a dean, you can still coach. If you're an admin, you can't coach anymore, at least within our district, just because of the hours and the contracts and all that. So that's something I'd have to weigh to see if the money's worth not coaching or whatever that could be. The next 6 to 10, be able to obtain possibly an administrative job. So a middle school assistant principal is ideal, what I want to do. And then just help build a strong culture out of school within our district, or I guess if jobs take me to a different district, but at least the district here is kind of what I'm passionate about. And then beyond 10 years, just be able to help mentor aspiring teachers and administrators. As we know, the world of educators is kind of dwindling down. There's not as many into it anymore. And then just hopefully retire and enjoy life. So why I chose Fort Hays? I chose Fort Hays because it was very affordable. I looked probably for 2 years, and there's a couple different programs like Western Governors, so on and so forth. But just Fort Hays seemed really affordable, and just something just drew me to it. I had two buddies that previously went through the program. I kind of worded that wrong. They're not my previous buddies, but they're my buddies that previously went through the program. And then our state accepts this program. I did look at one state or one program, and Colorado didn't accept that. So Fort Hays, they do. So that's another reason. And then I also kind of something that tied me here was it could tie me back to Kansas, since my dad's side of the family is from Garden City. So I do have some Kansas ties now, I guess. So some initial expectations for this program. I expect this program to help me become very knowledgeable about the building administration. I have learned things in 5 classes so far that I've never heard about or even thought about before. And then I expect this program to prepare me for when I do become an administrator and make that jump. And then I expect this program to help me open more doors within my career field. So, like I mentioned earlier, I could be a dean or an AP. I don't know if I want to be a principal. Maybe that takes me there one day. But yeah, that's kind of what I want to do. Thank you guys. This has been a great program. I hope this last class will be just as fun. Thank you guys.